Hey friends, Elise here, Global Pro Artist for Too Faced Cosmetics, and I am so excited to be here in studio with Sephora and the beautiful PXD kitty, Rachel. We are so excited to create this peachy eyeshadow look for you using the Sweet Peach palette. The first step is to apply shadow insurance. This is going to make sure that her eyeshadow stays crease-proof, waterproof, and budge-proof for 24 hours. So you're just going to use your finger and apply it to the entire lid, bring it all the way out, and make sure that you hit the outside lid. For this peachy look, apply peaches and cream to the brow bone to highlight. We're going to apply candied peach to the socket. Rachel's going to go in with the color Summer Yum to add some dimension to the outside corner of the eye. I'm going to use a cotton swab and cleansing water just to clean up a little bit around the outside of her eye. Now Rachel's going to go in with the color Peach Pit to define the lower lash line. We're going to mix the color Delectable with a little shadow insurance to create a liquid liner. Next, we're going to apply Better Than Sex Mascara, which is the #1 selling mascara in the world. So if you start at the base of your lashes with the wand and you wiggle it back and forth, that's really going to build the volume onto your lashes. It is so volumizing, it adds up to 1,944% more volume. If you mess up and you get any mascara on the lid or under eye, don't worry. Just let it dry and then go in with a cotton swab. Friends, thank you so much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed the Sweet Peach palette as much as we do, and we'll see you next time.